Hey guys, welcome to the Solution Architect channel. And in this video, I'm quickly going to go through the design of what is going to happen in the next few videos that I'm going to bring out. So I decided to work on a design for some of the questions I got from some of my subscribers here on YouTube. And I thank you for your patience. Now the time has come. I'm going to publish videos where I create install MySQL server on Linux Ubuntu 18.04, running Apache, where I'm going to host a web API developed in .NET Core 3.1 and deploy that on Apache on the Linux server. And then I'm going to show you how to deploy it, how to code it, everything. So we're going to start at the bottom, create. And as you can see in this diagram here, we're going to create a MySQL database. We're also going to create and install Apache, and then we're going to run a service for the .NET Core application that's hosted and use Apache as a reverse proxy. We're going to copy the files over, develop the files on Visual Studio Code using ASP.NET Core 3.1. And I'm going to deploy that using FileZilla. As you can see there, FileZilla is going to then use FTP to copy that over to the Linux server, and I'm going to show you how then to release that ASP.NET code as a web API and make it available on Apache. I'm also going to use things like Workbench. I'm going to show you how I use Workbench to create a database and create a table for that database. We're going to create the code, and I'm going to show you the controller that I developed for the code on this, and how I connect to the MySQL database from the web API. And then I'm going to use Postman to do a test, a simple RESTful web API test, both internally before I deploy it and also after I deploy it from my Windows machine to the Linux machine, the Linux virtual machine. And then we run a test, we add some data, and we get some data back from the controller that's deployed on the Linux machine. So I hope everybody that is subscribed and is waiting for these videos is excited as me to get this out there and get this release. If you have any questions and any comments or anything that you want me to work on, please leave it in the description below. And if you do like my videos, please subscribe, please like, and please share it. You know, I'm also on Twitter. I'm going to leave my Twitter account here, my Twitter handle, so you can follow me on Twitter as well. Thank you very much for subscribing and your patience. And everybody, please keep safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.